not exactly how you planned to start off your MBA. But that's the fun about being a manager, right? Managing it through it all. And trust me, you're gonna love what lies ahead for you. So here we are, to help you kickstart this journey and show you a glimpse of what lies ahead for you. Welcome to the VGSoM family.
Never. I've never been caught sleeping in any lecture.
Many.
Just caught? Never. Who gets caught at this age?
Once or twice when we returned after the semester breaks.
Free advice, get a new cycle once you get into KGP. It's going to help you out a lot. Mine's never ditched me.
That's undoubtedly the Gymkhana Lake.
Summed up.
Ashram. Definitely ashram.
That's a wrong question. How many all-nighters was I not able to pull off? I might be able to count that.
To be honest, I've never kept a count of those. Every night feels like an all-nighter if you have one.
Three, four, maybe.
I'm not answering.
1, 2, 3.
N-1? Okay, that won't count as an answer.
ऐसी जीत बचा है जिंदगी है Ritviz